This Nutella bar recipe is a quick, easy, no-bake dessert that has a similar consistency to that of a Reese's peanut butter cup. Feel free to add in candies or shredded coconut to these Nutella bars to make them extra sweet. Welcome back, or if you're new here, my name is Kate and this is Bake That. Break up 1 slab of graham crackers and add them to a food processor. Mix the broken up graham crackers until they are fine crumbs. You can also crush the graham crackers with a rolling pin if you don't have a food processor. In a large bowl of a hand or stand mixer, add the crushed up graham crackers, melted butter, confectioner sugar, and the Nutella. And mix until the ingredients are combined. This mixture smells amazing when it is mixing and comes together very quickly. Line an 8x8 pan with tinfoil or parchment paper and transfer the mixture to the pan. Use a spatula and press the mixture evenly into the pan, making sure to have the mixture spread out against the sides. If you love Nutella, check out my Nutella peanut butter frosting recipe in the link above or in the video description below. You can also use a measuring cup or the bottom of a glass cup to try to flatten out the mixture. In a large microwave-safe bowl, add chocolate chips and melt in the microwave in 15-second intervals until all the chocolate is melted, stirring in a spoonful of Nutella. And of course, you can always add in extra Nutella. Quickly pour the melted chocolate over the mixture as evenly as possible. Using a spatula, smooth the chocolate out, making sure to reach the sides and the corners. Place the pan in the refrigerator for about 1 hour to harden. Remove from the refrigerator and the pan and cut into bars. Store these bars in the refrigerator for up to 2 weeks and bring to room temperature when you are ready to serve. Thank you so much for watching. Come back next week to bake more good things.